How to find Roblox gift card code on Amazon. Let's get started. If you have purchased a Roblox gift card on Amazon, here is a step-by-step guide to find the code. First, launch your Amazon app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to three bars given at the bottom. Here you're gonna find the fin section. Under your shortcuts, you'll find the option of orders. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to the page where you're going to find all of your orders. Find the order for the Roblox gift card. Click on the specific gift card order. You will see a button or link that says view your item or redeem code. Amazon will display the Roblox gift card code on this page. Copy it for redemption. Amazon often sends the gift card code to the email address associated with your account. Search your inbox for a Roblox gift card or Amazon digital delivery. Go to the Roblox gift card redemption page. Log into your Roblox account, enter the gift card code in the provided box, and click Redeem. The credit or Robux will be added to your account. Recheck your Amazon orders and email. Ensure the purchase is complete. By following these steps, you should be able to locate and redeem your Roblox gift card code from Amazon without any issues. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.